I'm screen recording this video to produce an example for a blog post that I'm in the process of finishing up. I already wrote all the content, and now there's a lot of other little tasks that you need to do to produce quality work. So in this video, I'm going to speak about Google AdSense ad income. That's the title of the blog post that will soon be available at myincomejob.com, and I'll include the link in the description below. And I'm going to talk about the different types of ads. It speaks about creating passive daily income. This is myincomejob.com. I have an ad on top on the home page, and I also have an ad on the sidebar that shows on every page, including categories and tags. These are just banners of mine. Now, I'm going to click on read more on one of my blog posts, and I want you to see 2 sticky ads populate on this page. And it took me hours to figure out how to get this sticky ad not to completely overlap the title of this blog post. I'm also learning how to use the Astra theme back end better while I'm figuring out where to place more codes to show more ads to earn more daily income every day faster. So with a blog post, I don't have an ad right on top. I have 2 sticky ads and the one regular AdSense ad and the sidebar. Well, that took time to figure out. Now, let me take it a little deeper. These are categories. Is this a category? Yes, this is a category. Asset income. Earn money online. That should have a lot. Or at least a few posts. And do you see how this is a sticky ad right here? It's not a regular ad. And the reason why it's there, because it wouldn't populate on top, because it's a category page. So I tested out some theories I had, and I said, wow, I got an ad here. I like that. Because why wouldn't you just put a regular ad? Because if certain pages of your website, like this is a category page, and I have a tag page too that this ad shows, the sticky ad. It's because AdSense won't show ads. There are no companies bidding on that advertising space. Maybe in the future, when my website becomes more full of content and I have a lot more visitors every day. But for now, the homepage works, the blog posts work. But with the category pages and the tag pages, because they create URLs, they don't receive as much traffic as a homepage or a blog post page. That makes sense, right? Or a web page, which I still have here available on the sidebar. These are web pages. I have the best of both worlds with this website. I have blog posts and web pages. Now, let me take it a step further, if I can. Let me see here. Let me see if I could do it. Oh, I should have just stayed on the side. These are tags over here. I'll go with John Deaton, XRP. Got to support John Deaton. And you see how the sticky ad, I figured out how to get it underneath. This is a tag description. There's a lot of work in building a website, but it's going to get better. It's going to earn me more money every day faster. And at least I have one ad there, and I have one ad on the sidebar. Because this is a tag URL. You see the word tag right there. Okay, let's go to storebuy.shop. This is the home page. I decided to put I'm still signed in, sorry. I decided to put a sticky ad on top. I'm going to minimize the space here. But see how I have one regular ad on top on the home page. And then I have one in the sidebar. Now, if I tap on read more on one of my latest posts, yes, I did do it to this one. See how this sticky ad is not overlapping the breadcrumb? This is the breadcrumb. I came from the home page, and now I'm on Northeast Mid-Atlantic Specialty Foods. This is just going to increase the money I earn faster. And I'm going to earn daily income faster because now I'm showing more ads and not overkill. I feel this is not overkill because someone can easily remove that. It shows that it was seen. And the sidebar, well, that shows on every page, post, category, tag. That's how I have it set up. I use Ad Inserter Pro. They do have a free version. I use the Pro because I use it for other things too, and I'll be uploading videos about that eventually. But you see how this content is here? I'm telling it to show it on all post pages, all category pages, all tag pages, all static pages. I have to figure out the static, but it's definitely doing category, tag, and posts. And I have it separate on the home page. But that's what I'm using to show all these ads. Every one of them. Even the one where, that's, even the one on the main home page. It works. It works. What else to show you? That's really it. I wanted to screen record to produce an example for the AdSense ad income blog post I'm in the process of creating. When I get home tonight, I'm going to add this video and upload the work. And this is the power you give yourself when you develop new skills and you stick it out and you push away. You got to push away life because people love to go, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you working on so much? Why are you doing that? Why are you spending so much time on that? The best one. You've been saying that a long time. Stay away from people like that because then you're never going to change and you're just going to stay the same. I don't want to stay the same. Good thing I ignored everyone because look at me now. I'm soaring and I'm showing you how you can earn money from Google AdSense ads. And it's not just about them. I can join any publisher program. It's just when you have more experience, if you can be a Google AdSense publisher, they're king in this industry right now. That's how it works. I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.